In 2026, if you're watching this video, if you want to have results with Clickbank affiliate marketing, all you have to do is you have to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way, so you can actually have the time for yourself and travel around the world. So the most important things when it comes to Clickbank affiliate marketing is having someone who can actually guide you through step-by-step, give you the exact strategy, traffic, meaning what Clickbank offers to promote, which landing page or the advertorials to build, and also what is the exact strategy of copy, connecting it with the market to the message, okay, match. So you have message to the market match and have the exact targeting details, exact buyer's intent, right? All these matters in 2026. And once you have that, you need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way to push you through the exact system that can allow you, and it will allow you to have really great sustainable results, passive income with Clickbank affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products. So as you watch this video, there's my WhatsApp number, my email in the description below, where you can reach out to me one-on-one personally. We can connect and you can start having these results with affiliate marketing as a beginner, maybe even someone who has tried, failed in the past, and finally get it up and running so you can have long-term results.